Welcome back to my channel. So today we will solve a mathematics question with a step-by-step solution. So let's start the video. So on breaking the mixed fraction we get 5 to the 10 and 10 plus 30 equal to 40. So 40 by 5. The sign of addition, 4 4s are 16 and 16 plus 36 equal to 52 by 4. Then the sign of multiplication, 7 4s are 28 and 28 plus 42 equal to 70. 70 by 7. According to the bodmas rule, we have to solve first multiplication side. So 52 will be divided by 4 in 13 times and 70 will be divided by 7 in 10 times. By 5, the sign of addition, and 30 into 10 equal to 130. You can write 1 here. Then the LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 ones are 5 equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1, and 40 into 1 equal to 40, plus 5 divided by 1 equal to 5, and 130 into 5 equal to 650. Then we have to add numerators, and we got 690 by 5. 690 will be divided by 5 in 138 times. So our answer is 138. I hope you find it helpful. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.